What's up, everybody? Today's October the 26th. This is a Project Redline update brought to you from literally inside the car. I have been super busy. Good God. I can't believe I've done this. I really can't. So I tied my endoskeleton into my package tray to try and make sure that my package didn't move. Anyways, did that, put more, as you can see, endoskeleton up in there. This morning I got out here and started cutting out the floorboards of the car, and you wouldn't think it, but trying to get everything gone to where you're just left with the inside of the rocker is a remarkable amount of work. You notice how over here you see that the floor pan ties into here, and if I kind of move the camera down, you can see the silver floor pan there, which was the previous repair somebody else had done. Getting that stuff cut out to transform that into that is a nightmare. Just a massive job of cutting and grinding, cutting and grinding, cutting and grinding. Here I've got, hold the camera a little better. There we go. I've got my floor pan there. I kept one of the frame rails, the only frame rail that was really in good shape. I very carefully cut it out of the car. I figure I'll put that thing on eBay in case somebody can use it, as well as this piece here. There. It's, braces up the rear of the car and holds the shocks and whatnot. So that's what's going on. After I get the floor out of this thing, I got to decide whether or not I'm going to go ahead and pull the firewall out or what I'm going to do there. Get the doors hung on the car so that I can get the quarters pulled off of it. That is what is next. It's a mess. If you guys want to see more, click subscribe. If you thought it was cool, give it a thumbs up. Y'all have a good weekend.